What's up, guys? As you can see, I'm editing right now. I forgot to do an intro video, so this video is actually pretty cool. We got sent some free gas hood struts to install on the Renegade, and of course I couldn't say no to free stuff. Who would? And so I really hope you enjoyed this video and the installation of it, and I hope you guys get some. The link will be down below. Alright guys, so we're here out with the Jeep. And so these are the hood struts that they sent us. They're actually pretty cool. Got a nice little carbon fiber detail on it. But so basically what we're going to do is we're going to take off the inner plastic rubber part for the fender space. So, and then you're going to actually install a screw in there. Alright, so what you're going to take off is this cover right here. You're going to take out these 3 push pins. There's actually one right there, push pin right there. And then so from that point, you're going to install the nut that they actually have that has like a clip pin that pushes on the actual strut. And then you're going to come up here and you got this handy dandy little metal strip. And so basically what you do is you take this, you go in here, you line up the hole up in there, and then you screw in the new screw. And then this metal strip actually comes out because it breaks off from the actual nut that holds the screw in, which is actually pretty cool. And then you do the same to the other side. So let's get started and do it. So for this, you either get a pry bar clip tool, or you can actually use a flathead screwdriver. It just takes a bit more finagling to do, but basically just pop under, pop out the clip, the other one, pop that out. And then for me, I always like to put them right up here in the cowl, and it actually makes it easier to get out later. And then you just do the same thing to the other 2. Oh, come on. Why? Come on. There we go. There. That one out. There. Alright, so then you have push tool away. If you don't have panel popping tools, I highly suggest you actually get them. They come in very handy. And then with this, you just pop this part down. There's a little lip in the actual foam itself. And then you just finagle it out. Yeah, and this is that little lip that it sits in. So you just gotta push that down and then you pop it out and ta-da. That is really muddy. This is the one that you're gonna take for the bottom part, and I'll show you where it goes. But so basically, this part is a 12 mil and this is a 10 mil. So you can take your 10 mil socket, 10 mil wrench, whatever you have handy. So this piece is actually going to replace this push pin that was right here on the inside. So where it sits, it's going to go right here. Maybe I should show you where it goes. So it's going to go into this hole right here, but that is in correlation to the actual Jeep. There, where the push pin used to actually go in. Okay, so this was the part I was telling you about with the metal strip. So once you got it all screwed in mostly, you're supposed to just be able to pull it out, and then ta-da. I just have to do the other side. Also, pin the bracket so when you get it in there, so you can kind of put some pressure on the bracket itself when you're screwing in the nut. It'll make it 10 times easier for you. Okay guys, so when you do this, make sure that you put the carbon fiber part on the top and on the bottom. That's the right way. But I got one so far, but But so we're gonna get the other side on. Dude, I have an automatic hood. Alright guys, and there you have it. Everything's put back together. Let's do the first close, get all the tools out of the way. Let's give it its first close. I'm excited. Oh. She's strong. Hey, that's great. That's amazing. I'll still keep the rod just in case if, say, something breaks. I can at least put this back in. But until then, this has been a pretty cool video because we've never had someone send us anything before. I'm not used to getting stuff for free. So I want to shout out to Alan, who actually reached out to us on our Instagram. I'll throw the link for the parts in the description down below. And just remember, like, share, comment, subscribe. And if there's anything else that you want to send us, I'm always down for free stuff. All right, and again, why be like them? Have a good one.